Hey guys, it's Phoenix. Per the last video, I said that I got some cuttings from Amazon. Well, they came, and they are beautiful! Look at these. I love these donkey tails. Or donkey bird? I forgot. So these did not, fall off. I took them off so I can plant it a little bit deeper. I used rooting hormone, and they came out of this little box, which was in my mailbox. It was packaged pretty good. It was like in that little thing, and then it was covered with cotton. And it was left overnight because I didn't know that it was set, but it didn't do anything. And hopefully, hopefully they'll root and grow. But for this one, I mix potting soil, sand, and perlite. And I'm gonna let these callus over maybe 2 more days, and then I'm gonna plop them in here and spray them. It's just water, but and then they'll hopefully root. But I'm gonna dip the ends of these in the rooting hormone too. Let me see. Grab the rooting hormone. So, this is the one I use. It's only like $4 or $5 on Amazon. I have a link in the description if you guys want. It works. I'm telling you guys, it's like a 90% like root rate. So get this, or whatever you can find. But this is the cheapest that I found. So stay tuned.